How are you all?
Good, sir.
Great.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Vivek. How's everything? We have a special guest today in our class,
Who's this?
Mr. Parth Patadia. Please
Yeah.
join me,
You can
everyone,
say,
to
sir, there is
welcome him.
absent.
Welcome,
Thank
welcome.
you, sir.
Welcome, Parth. You are a special guest of the day.
No, no, sir.
Yes, I got disconnected. All okay now? Shall we start?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes. So, my plan for today is we will see that how to read out the thing when there is something in English in front of you. How do you read it out? Right? So that exercise we are going to do today. How you read out the things in front of you. So see, reading is different and understanding also is different. So because usually what happens is there is some shortcut or there is some tactics used in language. So if it is in simple language like hello, how are you, my name is so and so, it becomes very easy, right? But when it is technical or something specific, then we have to extract the idea that what it is all about. You must have, see, my request to everyone is you should start reading the English newspaper. Nowadays, even the e-copies are available. E-paper is there. When you start reading newspaper, you will get a lot of vocab into that. And you will learn a lot of new words also every day. You must have heard also, but you will start learning that. That is the thing. So we will do this very interesting exercise today. I will show you the paper cutout and you will just read it. So reading is different, okay, for pronunciation purpose, but after that you have to decode it, what they are trying to say. Let's try to find out that what it means. Okay, I am here to explain you what I can understand. All right, so this is our exercise of the day, reading the newspaper and getting the information and trying to understand what the things are going on in the world. Okay, જેમ કે maybe in Gujarati language you might be uh, having newspaper, reading the newspaper regularly. How many of you do this? Reading any newspaper could be. If it is English, that's very nice. Anybody?
ગુજરાતીમાં આપણા
Gujarati. Yashpal is doing okay. So you find a difference in what we are speaking actually in real life and the language used in newspaper. Yes or no, Yashpal?
હા સર.
yes, sir.
Hmm? Yes or no? No, there is
Yes.
no difference. The language is
ના
formal,
સર.
right? Sentence
Yes.
making is also different, right?
Yes.
દેશમાં પેટ્રોલના ભાવ વધારાથી પ્રજાને થતું નુકસાન. This way we do not see in general when we are talking with our friends, right? So some titles they are different. So let us analyze all these titles. I think now Parin is there. Let me start with the attendance of the day also. Okay. So here we go for the attendance. Now this thing is there.
Yes, sir.
Parth is already there. Parin?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Vivek? Yes. Milan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Milan is absent, sir.
Milan is absent. Jaiveer Singh?
Yes, sir.
Raj?
Yes, sir.
Rajan?
Absent.
Absent. Dharmesh?
Absent.
Somnath?
એ હમણાં જોઈન થશે સર નેટવર્ક ઇસ્યુ.
Network issue. Join થાય છે? Okay, we will check.
મેસેજ કર્યો
Yes?
એને કીધું.
Yes, sir.
All right, chalo. So I am sharing the screen now. And we will open the page which describes the news. Okay, so how to read the news, how to pronounce, and how to crack what is the actual meaning of that particular sentence. Okay, let's see that. Everyone is able to see this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So the first heading, it goes like this: post-COVID squad, bone death cases surging in Maharashtra. So first thing is, what is meaning of this? Are you able to get that? Yes. Now, remember, mostly newspapers, what they are doing is they will use certain words which are short form. So it becomes little difficult for us. Every day, if you go through all this type of news, then you will get a clear idea that, okay, because every time it is repeating, right? So they will use some shortcut, such type of thing. What is the meaning of post-COVID? First thing. What is post-COVID? Anyone?
કોવિડ પહેલા.
Yeah, Jaiveer. Think. COVID પછી post pre-COVID is before COVID. Pre means before. Post means after.
સોરી.
Right? So yes, at least you got the hint that it is something related to time. So post-COVID means after COVID scourge. Scourge is a typical word. Okay, so you need to find out the meaning. Frankly, I also don't know. You may have to search like this. What is scourge? Usually they use this type of word just to attract the people, right? So it's a punishment type of punishment or the thing which causes a great trouble, right? So the one which is giving lot of trouble, that is what? So that is pandemic, something like that. So post-COVID pandemic, bone death. What is bone death? I think that is very simple. Bone? Yes, anybody? Any bone is what? We have bones, right? In our fingers, we have bones in our ankle. That is all bone. We are talking about the biology here. Okay, so bone death means death related to calcium deficiency in bones. Okay, this is the new thing coming up. Right, so this type of cases are surging. Coming up means surging. Okay, in Maharashtra. So in this region, this type of cases are being there. Okay, so this is the news of the day. Now below this you can find the similar news with some short titles. We will focus only on the titles so that you will understand how the sentences are being framed, because they want to show the news in just few lines. So that's why We have to crack down that what they are trying to say. Let us see few more news. Okay, so what this says here, PREZ appoints new GUVs, expansion buzz gains momentum. This zooming is taking little time. Just bear with it. I'm trying to zoom it again. Now you can see this. PREZ appoints new GUVs, expansion buzz gains momentum. What is that? Any idea? I can paste this into the chat box so that all of you can read it carefully. This is the sentence. Appoints new GUVs. So, as I said, they are using some short form. So, for the president of the country, instead of that, they will write Prez, PREZ. Okay, Prez appoints new GUV. Okay, so what is GUV now? Government undertaken ventures. Okay, government is also undertaking some new initiatives. So in short, they call it as GUV. Expansion buzz gains momentum. Okay, so everyone, buzz means there is a buzz. I can say that, okay, when you are towards the end of your degree, there is a buzz of learning the language, English language. Okay, so that is buzz. So buzz gains momentum. Okay, expansion buzz gains momentum means the government is going to expand all the facilities. That is what the president has told. Okay, this is the meaning. So these things gradually, if you start doing, you can understand. Now, yeah, let's take this one. What is this POI result calculator? Check your class 12 percentage in 3 steps. What is POI? POI result calculator. See, this is recent news. If you want to know class 12 result, there is one calculator. Automatically you will come to know, because 10th base they are giving 30% weightage, right? 30, 30, 35, something like that they have done, right? What is POI? Any guesses? I hope all of you are with me.
Yes, sir.
POI means खबर है?
No.
No. So this is something like, you can try exploring this. POI result calculator. What I have opened here, if you see which website I have opened here, you can see the name of website. It is Times of India. Okay, the short form of Times of India, that is POI. See, if I ask you the short full form of ODI, I think everyone will quickly answer. Yes or no? Yeah, Parin, you are right. It is Times of India. ODI, what is the full form? Everyone must be knowing. Come on. ODI. It is about cricket.
Sir, one day match.
One day international, yes. Right. Vivek is correct. So England ODI squad. What is squad? Squad? Squad means what?
Squad. Team, sir.
Group of people.
Team. Yes, correct. A group of people. Call it a squad. So see, sometimes instead of team, they are using the word squad. So ODI squad means the team of England in isolation after coronavirus outbreak. Now I think isolation word becomes very common due to corona. So no need to explain. Then, okay, same way you can proceed on the right hand side. If you see apps to book or find COVID vaccination slot, this is very simple. Poll. There is a poll. What do you mean by poll? Poll. Poll. What is poll? Anybody?
સર આપણે કોઈ મત લેતા હોય ને એને પોલ કહેવાય. હેલો.
Hello.
હેલો.
Hello.
બોલો. હેલો યશપાલ.
Yeah, poll એટલે તો નોટ પણ હાઉસફુલ થાય ને.
યશપાલ, કેન યુ હિયર મી?
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, yes, pass. If such things are happening in between, you people can take over. You can continue with your discussion. Maybe
અરે હું પૂછતો જ તો સર મેં કહું આ પોલ એટલે નોટ પોલ
recording.
કે સાઉથ પોલ ઈ
સર પોલ એટલે આપણે ઓલી મતદાન કરીને જે પબ્લિક
Poll,
ઓપિનિયન લઈને.
polling. Yes, yes, yes. I agree, agree. So polling. See, there is one site called POLLY, Puli. In Puli, we can have. Suppose I am asking you that, okay, out of these three different topics, which one you like the most? So you select and it will prepare a graph. Right? So that is polling. Yeah, correct. So it is about poll. Now coming back to another paper. I don't know. Did I share? No, I will share it again. Just wait for a while. So I am opening another page of Hindustan Times. I think I believe it is visible to all of you.
યસ વિઝિબલ.
Yeah. So I would ask Parth to just read the first line. This title of this pink color. Parth.
Shocking. SC scam. Use of quast IT law.
So any rough idea what it is trying to say? See, the sentences are so short, they're little difficult to decode it. That shocking means all of you know. There is a shocking news, right? So breaking news and shocking news. So that is there. So SC slams use of quest IT law. What is that? No idea. Okay, so see what it says. Let's say if you are reading continuously, slowly you will get an idea. SC generally all the cases you can see here. The picture is there. You can get little bit of idea from that. This is a court, right? Something related to
Supreme Court, sir.
very good. So it is about Supreme Court. What it is saying? Supreme Court slams the use of quashed IT law. What is IT? Is it information technology?
યસ.
No. Information technology or income tax? That we don't know. We have to read in detail. So we believe by default when they specify it is income tax generally. Okay, it's not IT, means our IT. So Supreme Court slams means remove, right? The use of quashed means the old one, right? So there are some laws which are now not useful at all. So it is now removing it, right? So they just wipe off or remove it. So this is one thing happening in the Supreme Court. Let's see another similar thing. I can ask someone from here. Yeah, Parin.
Yes, sir.
Parin, you can read this pink color which I have highlighted right now. What it says.
Twitter lost shield from a prescription center of Delhi HCA.
Center to Delhi HC. Okay, Twitter lost shield from the prosecution. So prosecution is again law related process. Okay, and Twitter has lost that. Okay, what they are telling, center to, what is HC again? If HC means Supreme Court, HC means High Court. Ah, very good. See, you are getting the idea now. Here also see High Court case. HC told of activist demise during the bail hearing. Okay. Now I will ask Jigar. Jigar, can you try what they are trying to say here? Stan Swami dies in hospital. HC told of activist demise during bail hearing. What is that?
Yes, sir.
Any guess?
Could you repeat?
This news is there in front of you, right? Pink color news I am showing you. Can you read this statement? I want you to read this statement. I will go up. This one. What is written here? Wait.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this. What is this? 10. Can you complete this sentence?
Stan Swami. Sir. Stan Swami dies in hospital as she told of her activities demise during bail hearing.
So any idea what is this talking about? This person, what happened to him?
Yes, sir. I
Stan
can.
Swami છે.
Sorry?
Sir, can I explain?
Yes. Anybody.
Sir, Stan Swami died in hospital. High Court told of activity demise during bail hearing. એટલે એની જે આપણે જામીન આપવાની હતી ને એ
હા.
સમયગાળા દરમિયાન એને
બરાબર.
હોસ્પિટલમાં રાખ્યા અને હોસ્પિટલમાં જ એનું મૃત્યુ પામ્યું એવું હાઈકોર્ટ કહે.
બરાબર. Yes, very good. Perfect. You got it. Huh? So High Court told of activist. He is an activist. Activist means who is activist? Who is demanding that ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, हमें न्याय दे दो, right? This type of people, we call them as the activist. So he was an activist, and his demise is there, which the High Court has declared. Okay, during the bail hearing. So what he said right now, that there is a process of releasing you from the court of law. So that process is called bail. So during that hearing only, he got this death. Okay. Now, I think this way we can keep going. Let's move to another page. So let me search on latest news.
સર ઇકોનોમિક ટાઈમ સર્ચ કરો.
Economic Times.
હા સર.
સત્તા બજાર વાળા હોય ને આવું પેલા દેખાય સર.
Yes.
Yeah, you can say like that because you don't have knowledge about Chata Bajar.
This is all about share and all only, right? Which knowledge I also do not have. Okay. Yeah. So these headlines are pretty simple one, like deadline for filing the income tax is up to July 15. And tips to enhance your college application. These are very basic information. But the headings, usually headings will be more interesting. Yeah, so there are two short forms used here. Can NRI continue investing in existing PPF accounts? So just for your basic knowledge, these are all very basic things coming up everyday life. Being a student, maybe some people are not aware, but I believe most of you already must be knowing this, right? What is NRI and what is PPF? Yes, everyone.
Yes, means
NRI means
public provident fund.
Public
Non-resident Indian.
It is Public Provident Fund of India. So every employee is putting some amount every month, right, into the Provident Fund. It is mandatory for all the employees. So that is PPF. What is NRI? Very simple. No, NRI is
Non-resident India.
non-resident Indian. Yeah.
In India.
Yes. So non-resident means those who are not staying in India, but actual passport is Indian, right? Okay. Let's see few more examples. So here I could not see things which are interesting. The sentences are very simple one. Okay. Let's see this. For these four news, one by one. We will do one thing. First Vivek, then Jaivir Singh, and then Parth, and then Raj. Okay. So first Vivek, then Jaivir Singh, then Parth, and then Raj.
Yes, sir, I got it.
So let me open the first one. Yes. Can you read out this?
Snapdeal appoint ex-Walmart executive Saurabh Bansal as a chief merchandising officer.
It is merchandising officer. Okay.
Officer.
So what is this news about?
સ્નેપડીલે વોલમાર્ટના થી છૂટા થયેલા એક્ઝિક્યુટિવ ને હાયર કર્યા.
Very good. Yes. At the position of chief merchandising officer. Yes. Yeah. Then
Yes.
next.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ranveer Singh turns 36, Anushka Sharma, Kriti Sanon and others wish the entertainment powerhouse.
Yeah, so this is about what?
And there is a Ranveer Singh 36th birthday and Anushka Sharma, Kriti Sanon and all the celebrities are wishing him for their birthday.
Correct. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Finbox CEO believes spiritual health is important as physical fitness. Means what is the spiritual health is not, I don't know, but it is important for the physical fitness.
ટૂંકમાં આત્મા ને સર. સોલ.
Spiritual. Very good. Yashpal is familiar with most of the things. Spiritual health. Right? Something related to soul. about your overall personality, confidence that you have. So spiritual health is more important than physical. Okay, physically I may be fit, but I have a lot of tensions going on around, right? So spiritual is also required. I'm doing a meditation, then I'm spiritually good, and physically, obviously, I will be good. So that's what we say. All right, now where is it? Yeah, last one.
BJP members do not know courtesy, decency, Mamta in assembly.
What is this?
Mamta says that BJP members do not have courtesy and behavior, how to behave in assembly.
Yes, very good. That's perfect. So who is saying this? Mamta, right? This is uh, this is known as sarcasm. Those who don't know what is courtesy and they are telling like this, right? So, okay, there is one word. You know what is sarcasm? Many times we use this.
No, sir.
Can anyone spell it over here in the chat box? Sarcasm, I say. You can give a try. No problem if it is wrong. Don't worry. I'm not going to give any marks for it. Okay, just relax. Give it a try. Everybody, please give it a try. Sarcasm. If I say sarcasm, how do you write that word? All of you, please. Yes, I am waiting for everybody. How will you write the word sarcasm? Jigar. Okay, Jigar has already mentioned perfect correct answer. Right? What is sarcasm, you know?
Situation.
If I say this, if I write this word in the chat box, everyone will get the idea. In general, we use this word only. But in English, it is called sarcasm. What is that? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You say something which looks very good, but actually it is the one who is being intended will get the idea that what I'm trying to say. Right? Suppose, see, in the starting, I told one thing, right? That there is one special person, Park, who has joined. Let us welcome him. Right? So what this means actually? It is like positively I am saying all these things, right? I should not say that Parth, where were you? Why you are not attending the class? You are always irregular. If I do like this, it doesn't look good, right? So this is one way of saying. Yes, yes. More, you cannot say mock. Mocking is a process. Right? Mocking means I will put your style of speaking, or I will imitate you. If I'm imitating, that is mocking. But challenging, you can say challenging someone with good words. That is sarcasm. Okay, suppose there is someone who is never helping me, but I will say that, "Oh, you are so much helpful person." So that person will get an idea that what it means, right? So can everyone give one example of sarcasm? One example, if you are able to find out in real life. Yes, could be anything, no? What you come across in real life. Sometimes we have to use this. Anybody? Or shall we continue with some more reading here? Okay, let's do one thing. This is asking to subscribe. So we will close and we will move to another newspaper. Any suggestions from you guys? English newspaper other than Economic Times? Or even if you put in Google News, say for example, English is the word, and I'm putting in Google News. Yeah, just read this one. I will enlarge a little bit. Parth, can you read this first one, Hindustan Times, what it says? Parth, Parth is there? Yes,
No, sir, leave થઈ ગયું.
leave થઈ ગયો?
Yes.
Okay, then Yashpal.
હા, sir.
Wait, very good. Yeah. Yes, this one.
First one, ને? Maharashtra Assembly State 6 additional 23,149 crores.
So Sikh means what?
ટૂંકમાં મહારાષ્ટ્ર ટૂંકમાં બીમાર હોય એના માટે શીખ. કોવિડ ને આ બધું આ સિચ્યુએશન એના માટે ફંડ કર્યું છે એસેમ્બલી મહારાષ્ટ્ર એસેમ્બલી.
Right. So Sikh means I am seeking something. I want to seek your help. Right? You can say that we seek your blessing. So that is seeking. You finding. It is something like finding, or you are requesting. Okay. Just a minute.
Maybe internet is stuck.
Yes, yes. So let's move to one or two more examples. Yes. You can move to the next one. And I can ask Farin.
Yes, sir.
Farin,
Yes, sir.
if you can speak out this word, this sentence.
Okay.
Are
Delhi
you
COVID
listening, Farin?
spells dome. Yes, sir.
Yes. Farin, will you be able to speak out the next sentence, Farin? No. Seems it is
Hello.
not
Mic
audible.
off है Parin.
Hmm?
Mic off है Parin.
Okay. Okay, wait. Shall I wait,
Hello.
Farin? Okay, yeah.
Hello.
हाँ
Now
Parin.
you can speak. Yes. You can read
Delhi
this
COVID.
now, yes.
Yes, sir. Delhi COVID spells dome for budget school. The three were budgets private school providing English medium education at affordable charges, but we're now finding it difficult to collect.
Hmm. So what this says, due
Uh,
to COVID, many schools in Delhi, they have to shut down. They say that now we don't have staff and we are not able to manage. Right? So such is the scenario. And yes, we can go for one more, last one maybe. Who can read it out? Let me see the list. Who is remaining? Raj. Okay. Raj, just check this.
Yes, sir. 3 decades of reforms, cup is only half full.
Hmm.
Manmohan Singh's July 24, 1991 budget speech is considered as the GDP series. India's GDP in 1961 to 62 was 1.5 times its 1951 to 52 value.
Yeah. So what does this title indicate? 3 decades of reforms, cup is only half full.
I didn't understand what they were saying.
Anybody? 3 decades of reforms, cup is only half full. See, 3 decades. Decade means what? 10 years. One decade,
10 years.
10 years. So 3 decade means 30 years.
30
30
years.
years.
Yeah. So in newspapers they write like this also, 3 decades, and still cup is half full. So cup is half full is something like, you are saying you have done only half of the work.
Half work.
Yeah. Task is only half. Still the half cup is empty. Right? So it means there is a long way to go. We can use this type of wording. Right? Gimmicks are there. All right, guys. I think we can stop for the day. This was about the reading portion. Okay. And we'll have few more
The
interesting
last,
exercises next time. Yes, David.
sir, the last news is circumstances, right?
Last news is
Means taunt in Hindi.
Sarcasm. He is
cup is only
Sarcasm.
half
Sorry,
full. Yes.
sarcasm.
It is also like that. Yes. This similar example. Cup is only half full means they have not done anything. Yeah. Things are missing. Correct. Okay then. Let us wind up for the day. So please remember
Okay, sir.
now and tell your friends also, we have the English sessions on every Tuesday, Monday and Tuesday, 3:16 is the time. Okay, for
Okay.
about 1 hour. All right then,
Okay,
keep
sir.
learning and keep watching the things in English, keep reading it and make some practice. Okay, bye bye.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Have a good
Bye.
day.
Have a good day.
Thank you, same to you. Have a great